Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. All you need to do is access tab menu and look for Auto Rotate, Portrait or Landscape shortcut. When you find any of them, click on it. As you can see, my icon is grey and it says Portrait. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same tile again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!